Struggling to water your plants on time? The Spider Farmer self-watering system keeps your plants perfectly watered, 24/7, whether you're at home or on vacation. Gravity-fed watering, no power needed. Self-watering pot base. Plant gets the exact amount of water it needs. Customizable fit for different pot size, supporting grow bags up to 7 gallons. When fully filled, for pack, up to 2 weeks of self-watering. When fully filled, 2-pack, up to 1 month of self-watering. Relax and let it grow. Even on vacation, your plants stay watered automatically.